Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a driving license name and address in Florida online. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so Florida residents can update their driver's license or ID card online using the My DMV portal. This service is available 24/7. The best way to do this is to do a Google search if you don't know where to go and type in My DMV portal and click on the first link here. This is going to get you here. Now, once you're at the site, we need to log into My DMV portal, so click onto that. So if you're already a member, go ahead and put in your email address and password, or if you're new here, go ahead and click on Enroll Now. Then once you're inside your account, you want to navigate to the update address section. So if you can't find it, just do a search, then enter your new address information. And now they've got an applicable fee, so a $2 convenience fee applies. Then from there, your updated license ID card will be mailed to you within a 2 to 3 week window, so keep an eye out for that. And now how to change your name. So changing your name on your driver's license ID card must be done in person at a driver's license service center. So we can find that at this site here. So just go ahead, it's going to show you location, scroll down, and now choose your location and find a driver's license center near you. So before you visit, you need to update your name with the Social Security Administration and ensure your new name is reflected in their records. Then from here, we need to gather the required documents. And now these required documents are proof of legal name. So for example, marriage certificate, divorce, or court order, proof of identity, current driver's license, ID card, proof of social security number, and 2 documents providing residential addresses. And now once you're at the service center, you need to present the required documents and then pay the applicable fee. It's $25. Time recording replacement fee may apply. And then your updated driver's license or ID card will be issued to you.